Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Hirani. I am working as a DevOps engineer at BlueJeans, and this video is an overview of the talk we are going to give at Rootconf 2016. The talk is going to be about how to transition a manually maintained monitoring setup to an automated distributed one. Now, monitoring systems are at the core of every organization's infrastructure. They give you insight on which parts of your infrastructure are healthy and which parts need your immediate attention. But if these monitoring systems are manually set up, then over a period of time they become harder and harder to maintain as your infrastructure grows. For example, if you add new nodes in your infrastructure, then they have to be separately set up in your monitoring system, and a similar case for removal. If the very core of your monitoring system, for example adding and removing nodes is manual, then there is also a tendency for the ecosystem around it. For example, the plugins that you had, the custom scripts that you wrote to check if your services were up or not, the alert mechanisms that you set up, they also become manually maintained. At this point, the obvious solution is to automate your manual setup. But for a sufficiently complex system monitoring multiple environments, you cannot flip the switch overnight. You need to do a phased cutover, environment by environment, component by component, and show measurable progress at each stage. That is where our learnings come in. But we are not going to just talk about best practices. We are going to back them up with demos showing how we took apart different aspects of the manually maintained system and automated them one piece at a time. For example, how do you discover nodes spread across multiple databases like AWS, Chef, network devices? How do you organize, package and deploy custom scripts, plugins to your monitoring system? How do you monitor auto-scaled nodes in the same dashboards as your physical nodes? And most importantly, how do you verify whether you have achieved 100% cutover or not? The answers to these questions contribute to building a strong foundation for infrastructure tooling. I'm really looking forward to sharing these learnings. Catch me at Rootconf 2016 to talk about it.